Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of assembling a very cheap, powerful computer for gaming. As you might know, some other PC assembly guys, they use second-handed items from eBay, from Amazon. They use open box, they get them for cheap, and they sell them to you for a very expensive amount of money. As you can see, everything that I have purchased today is sealed and it has not been opened before. It is not open box. I do not purchase open box because those things don't last so long, because somebody else has already used them for a long time and now pull them out, they want to sell them to you as a second-hand item, so there is no guarantee that those parts will be working as good as a brand new product. Let's just dive in and assemble it together. Also don't forget to check out our website at outlawstudio.ca. If you want to purchase computers, or if you're looking for a custom build, servers, office PC, or gaming PC, just let us know. We're gonna build it for you. Without any hesitation, let's go ahead, assemble this PC. Isn't this beautiful? It is. It is. Ryzen 5 5600X. Here is my GPU RX 6750. I'm in love with this GPU. This GPU is great for 4K gaming, 2K gaming, and 1080p. And here is the trophy. Also, as you can see, we got a brand new power supply out of the plastic. It's completely sealed. We don't use second-handed power supplies. Now guys, 700 watts is more than enough that you might need on this build. You can even use 700 watts on RX 7900 XTX, no problem. If people say, oh yeah, let's go for 850, stuff like that, that is an overkill. Do not buy that. There you have it guys. Here's a PC that we built just together in an hour. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment and also subscribe to the channel. And yeah, this PC is perfect for gaming. Let me know if you're interested to buy. Put down a comment or anything else. I'm gonna put it on Kijiji. You guys can find it over there. See you guys in the next assembly.